it's a 5-channel, and each channel it produces 100 watt. So 2 front, 1 center, and 2 surround, basically. At the moment, I'm just using 2-channel direct input, so as a stereo. Pioneer has several series in the VSX, and this is just an average amplifier, but it has also digital signal processing. So Dolby Digital and the DTS, it has some features also if you wanted to watch some home cinema on it. But for regular listening music on the stereo channel, this is good. You have a DVD and a laser disc, TV and satellite, CD, and this is the built-in AM FM radio, and also it has a CDR tape, so cassette tape can also be placed. And this is a several mode of digital signal processing, standard, then the music, and this is drama, action, and expanded, and this just this 4 or 5 modes it has. Please tell me in comments what is your input about this Pioneer VSX-D510.